So this question is a logo for a bed and breakfast sign. It's in the shape of an ellipse. The ellipse has a major axis of 150 mil and a minor axis of 100. So we're going to start first and foremost by drawing the actual ellipse. So we have a major axis of 150, which means that my radius is going to be 75. So there's my 2 points on my major axis. My minor axis then is 100, so we're going to have a radius of 50. Draw my minor axis in. And we're just going to get our construction by first of all dividing up our shape. It does not have to be divided equally, however, it just makes life a little bit easier when it's divided equally. Now we take each line where it hits your major axis, your major circle, you go parallel to your minor axis. When it hits your minor circle, you go parallel to your major axis. So I'm going to start off with my parallel to my minor. Where it hits my major, parallel to my minor. The same lines where they hit my minor circle, we're going to go parallel to my major axis. And that gives me an extra 8 dots for my ellipse. I would not advise people to get less than 8 extra points because it will be very difficult to draw an accurate curve. Very important we cut all of our points. If our curve doesn't go through all of our points, it is not an accurate curve. Alright, so next thing we have to get is our focal points. Now, in order to get our focal points, we get half our major, so half our major axis, and we put at the top of the minor and swing an arc. If I put at the bottom and I swing the arc, it gives me the exact same point. The focal points... So as we can see, that's after giving us focal point 1 and focal point 2. Now in our construction, we're told to come out 10 and 10. With the bottom of our minor axis, we're to go up 100, 10, 10 and 45. So we're coming up 100, 10, 10 and 45. And I'm going to draw this line here, vertically dark, comes up dark up to here. Now, this point here is the widest point of my major axis. I have to come up vertically from that, and that's giving me a point. Sorry, apologies. So this point is the same as this point here. That's going to be joined to that point there. These two lines are parallel, so I need to use sliding set squares. First of all, I just need to come out a distance of 10, because I'm told to come out a distance of 10. And at the bottom here I have... Sorry, apologies lads, that point should be down here and not up there. My apologies. I'm just going to rectify that now. Sorry. Just measure up my 10 again. And then I can draw in and then my 2 focal points give me my 2 hanging strings.